So just over 3 years ago, I set out to build Southeast Angels as the most active group in the region. That was the original goal. It started out because I worked with a lot of startups and accelerators here in the region, and raising that first round of capital was really, really difficult. All the founders were going to London to raise money in one of the most competitive markets in the world, and the investors from here were also going to London to invest in those companies. So Southeast Angels was born to solve this problem for the local region. This is our launch party that we had. This is kind of actually the summit is an evolution of the launch party we had when we first started. We kind of did a nice summer party each year. We were in a hangar, which was fun. And this year we thought, actually, let's learn some stuff as well as partying. So this is why we're here today. We started off with 5 founding members. So these are all just guests at the summer party. We actually had 5 founding members when we started. And since then, we have had 47 angels in our group, who have invested in 24 startups and deployed just over 1.7 million in capital into those and achieved our first exit, which is fantastic. Thank you. So something that's been super important is obviously tracking these numbers. We talked about there isn't a lot of data in the angel investment world, but the long-term value that we're creating in the region, that's the thing that it's really about for us. Creating this community down here. I wanted to share with you the 3 ingredients that have been, core to making our syndicate a success. The first is trust. We set out to build a community, not a network. Our angel group is about making friends and making really strong connections. It's not just about joining a network and receiving pitch decks. So we paid a lot of attention to creating this social environment where people could, meet over dinner and talk about what their thesis was and build those connections where you can build trust and then make better investments for it with the other members of your group. The second and the third, because giving that away, the second is structure and efficiency. So anybody who's been involved in an angel group will know that angel investment as a group is actually quite messy work, and it can take a long time, and it needs to be structured and efficient. So you kind of don't want to structure it at first because you just want to let things happen as they do and take your time. But I think structure and efficiency have been super, super crucial. We're constantly evolving our process so that it's enjoyable for the investor and for the founder. It's enjoyable. They all learn from it. And even if we're not investing, everybody's taking something from it. And the third is excellent deal flow. Of course, that's a really crucial part of it. And we've learned a lot of lessons along the way from where we started, saying that we are open for business and we're looking for people to invest in. And now really just making smarter decisions around where we find companies, who we work with. And a big part of that has actually been working with other investors who we can co-invest with, because the more we bring people together, even if it's our community with other angel group communities, that's where the real value has been for us in terms of finding the best founders. So it's all slow work, and there's no kind of vanity metrics really in this, but it's all really important work for our local region. So what are we doing now? I said we were originally on a mission to grow the most active group in the region, and really for us now it's about making angel investing more successful for our members and those who want to get started in angel investing. So here's how we're doing it: community, data and education, and high quality deal access. For us, that community element has played through the whole time. It's so important that anyone who's starting out in angel investing has a community around them to learn from other angels, to feel more confident, because everyone kind of goes into angel investing with no real education, and you kind of just get started in it. So the more we can do stuff like this, the better, the more successful angel investors will be. Data and education, we're really making a focus on capturing data, both from the deal flow that we bring in, the ones we evaluate, and then the investments that we make. And it's still early days for us. It's only been 3 years in angel investment, as we've heard. That's a really short space of time. But as things progress, we're really keen to publish as much as we can and be as transparent as we can with the public around here's the data from our portfolio and what we're doing. So we've got lots more to come from that side of things in the next 12 months. And finally, high quality deal access. So we're always looking to consistently work with other angel groups to be able to find the best deals and figure out better ways to evaluate founders, which we have a session coming up on soon, which will be very exciting. Okay, That's it from me. I just want to leave you with that. We're on a mission to really drive the success of angel investors. And I'm really excited to hear what everybody has gained from today, and send me your thoughts and ideas so we can make something even better together. Thank you.